A lot going on in the forecast. We still have more changes with this coming weekend and early next week with just how cold we're going to get. Let's start with the near future forecast. We had mostly cloudy skies and some dense fog that stuck around through the late morning and early afternoon hours. Then a lot of that started to dissipate, although over the city, we're starting to see some fog reform. Had some early morning showers as well. Those moved out more offshore that will likely be moving over us overnight tonight, and quite a bit more rain on the way for tomorrow. So a few spotty showers through the late evening, but mainly overnight hours. We are going to see a bit more activity developing starting tomorrow morning and probably continuing throughout the day. Not just a constant rain, but off and on showers, most light to moderate, but might find a few pockets of some heavier rainfall, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder. And the rainfall will likely continue on into Friday morning, especially maybe some lingering showers later in the midday and early afternoon hours of Friday. But the rainfall Friday morning is with a cold front pushing on through, and winter weather will be returning. Real pretty shot looking out toward downtown. We have the sunshine, and then the fog has kind of reformed back over the city with the proximity to the river and over the lake and coastal waters. The fog has been pretty dense all day. 72 degrees our current temperature with a dew point of 64, so humidity did come up a bit from where we were yesterday. Today's high 75 degrees, about where we were exactly yesterday, and our morning low 50s and 60s as we started off this morning. We'll be in the 60s overnight tonight. 60s, low 70s outside at the moment. Dew points are a little bit higher, but the colder air is not too far off. We just need something to start pushing it our way. That something is an upper level low which is developing over kind of northern Mexico, Baja Mexico, and north or south of, I should say, Arizona and California. This upper feature, as it approaches, is going to start to increase this southwesterly flow over us. So more clouds, more rainfall moving our way. This is also going to grab hold of that cold air which is just off to our west and finally bring it on in for the weekend and into early next week. But we're still watching that Arctic cold, which does look to be making a dive south as we get into late Monday and Mardi Gras day, and that may be the best chance of getting that real Arctic feel for us for this coming week. Now again, temperatures right now are very chilly. We'll call that our chilly air mass because what could be on the way for Mardi Gras day would be a much colder air mass. That chilly air will be moving in by Friday through the day and for the weekend, and then by early next week, late Monday and into Tuesday, we have more of this northern plains air mass that'll be moving on southward. So right now what's happening is a weak front starting to get a little bit better organized in terms of becoming a cold front as that upper trough moves in. That'll really start our rainfall chances higher during the midday, afternoon, and evening. And as I mentioned, even once the front pushes on through, notice we'll still have some overrunning moisture, which will certainly keep our rain chances on the higher side for Friday morning and might still see some lingering showers through the afternoon. Not unfortunately going to see a clean frontal passage as the cloud cover is going to stick around for a while. So we still are looking at a very cold air mass for next week. The timing does keep changing a bit, and the models are still not in very good agreement. Mid 70s tomorrow and a fairly wet day and into Friday morning. Temperatures will be dropping. Highs will be in the 50s for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Mardi Gras. Also, we'll have chance of rain all of those days. Not a great deal for the weekend, but a better chance Monday and into early Tuesday. Now, some models are going with maybe some frozen precip late Monday night and early Mardi Gras morning. I'm still leaning more toward the colder GFS model, which would have us in the 20s on Tuesday morning. And believe it or not, that's warmer than what the GFS is saying. The GFS has us in the teens. I'm not going quite that cold, but 41 our high Tuesday and Ash Wednesday a high of only 50.
Wow. That teens here is,
well,
that
one model, yes, actually had single digits in South Louisiana. I'm not going that cold.
I mean, I do miss the parades, but I would not miss that.
No, that would be a miserable weekend.
Oh my gosh. All right, Chris. I know